Hi, this is Loose Shirt, and this is a Medeco Biaxial 51S. There it is. Okay, let's get it. So that this locking counterclockwise, you really have to spend a lot of time making sure the pins are rotated. It's actually fairly trivial to pick to shear. Just if you don't have the sidebar set, it's not going to come open. All right. So don't laugh. This is my C-clip remover for my father, and it's really old, but damn, it works well. Columbus brought that over on the Mayflower. Okay. Whoa. All right, let's look at the sidebar first. I'll leave the springs in, but here they are. Let's get the key pins out. Learned a lot about this lock. Didn't take me as long as one of the other ones I recently did, but used a lot of brute force trying to get this thing open, and that is just not the way to do it. Let's look at one of these. It's like a spooled key pin, and there is no false gate on this one. There's a couple of them like this. Matter of fact, So only let's see, 1 and 4 do not have a false gate. And let's look at one that does have a false gate. You can just see right here. Trying to get it to focus for you. Right here is the false gate, and here's the true gate. And it becomes tricky because if you get in the false gate, man, it's hard to tell. So chambers 2, 5, and 6 are cut 5, and chambers 1, 3, and 4 are cut 3. You can see that from the key too. All right, let's get the drivers out. First one is a spool, or I'm sorry, mushroom. Second one is a standard, I believe. Now another mushroom. Mushroom. Another standard. Mushroom. And a standard. And this is for anti-drill protection. Oh, come on. Bad timing. Chase that thing all over the place. There are 2 of them, but one of them just falls out all the time. It's really annoying. Slips in just right there. Neat locks. Let's look at the core. There's no this is the Biaxial. There's no counter milling on these. I think the M4 has counter milling on all but maybe one chamber. That could be more challenging, trying to rotate and stuff. Close up with the pins. Anyway, it was a fun pick. Thanks for watching. See you later.